Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on microphone on a laptop for Windows 10 or 11. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, make sure that your laptop's keyboard doesn't have a mute function for audio or microphone, just like what this keyboard has. So if you have this function, make sure that it is turned off, okay? So if you don't know how to turn this on or off, just hold the function key on your keyboard and then press this button. All right. And after that, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and right click on your audio icon, click on sound settings. And then in here, just make sure that you select the correct microphone. Okay. Now, after that, scroll down and find more sound settings. Go to recordings. Test your microphone if you can hear it or if you can see the bar right here. Check, check, check. If it has the green bars, well, that means your microphone is working. Okay? So double click on it, go to levels, amp it up to 100 if you want to, and then go ahead and click on listen right here. Listen, apply, test, test, test. You should be able to hear yourself. Well, do not forget to untick this one, apply, and then go back to advanced right here and just copy my settings. Okay, hit on apply, click on OK. Okay, and after that, go ahead and join a voice call to test it out and check if it works. If that still will work, let's say you have your microphone enabled, it's on, it's working in the settings right here, but it's not working on your apps. So what you'll do basically is just right click on your start menu and click on settings. And then in here, go ahead over to privacy and security. Click on it. Now scroll down, all the way down until you find your microphone. Just click on it. Now, as you can see here, all of my apps are given the access for my microphone. So if yours is turned off right here, just turn it on. Let's say, for example, I have your Xbox. Yours may be different. You have Discord, Zoom, or whatever. Just basically enable these toggles, okay? And after that, do not forget to restart your computer. And once that's done, you're good to go. That is how easy it is to turn on your microphone on your laptop. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.